off right here with the shop. We got our shop, skid steer, truck Super B. Here, let's go inside. Hangers, whiteboard, my truck. Got some chemical here, other storage spots, sink, table for oil. We got our oil totes up there. We'll go up there in a little bit. Laundry room / air compressor room, or if you want to call it the mechanical room. Washer, dryer for all our coveralls. Our tool area. Got our solvent table, grease gun, load tester, drill press, welder, all other stuff. Couple welding tables. Our toolbox area with all our drills and stuff. Bolt bin area, different magnet trays and stuff on the sides. Tape, all that. Heavy duty grinder. Yeah, let's head upstairs. Let's go up here. It's our mezzanine with our oil totes. They're basically empty. Storage, all of our random crap. We got another shelf here, more storage, different stuff, and then our shelf for all of our filters we get. We always run Wix filters, as you can see, or John Deere filters. Best filters you can buy. All of our operators manuals, different miscellaneous stuff down there, some talc. You can look over the shop up here, which is sweet. I don't know if you can see this, but I got the battery charger on my truck. It died on the way in here, and then it started up just barely, and then it died again. Did not start, so I just kind of coasted it the rest of the way. Yeah, let's move on to our double garage. Sorry, forgot the kitchen area here. Oh, that's where my jacket went, and gloves. Nice. Just a small kitchen area, fridge, water, kitchen table, and jacket, gloves. Radios over there. Don't mind the volleyball. A couple extra chairs in my dad's and grandpa's office. Computer, chair, printer, file folders, all that stuff. And my store my tools in here. Got a lot of tools. May not look like it in those little bins, but there's a lot in there. Okay, now let's go to the double garage. Oh, leave those on. Alright, just go on the double garage here. Okay. This is where we store our seed, chemicals, still semen fridge, different tools, floor heat, pump that I think is broken, it doesn't run anymore. Might do a video on that, getting it running, but wheat samples from our harvest this year. Different chemicals left over from last year. A lot of chemicals, yeah. Just a little shelf. Just random stuff in there. Tester up there for moisture. This is for the pig barn. What is this? I think it's for the pea starch. I think that's for the barn, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, on to the next. Now we're on to the chicken coop. No, Dakota, you're not allowed inside because you're gonna eat a chicken. There, that's where the chickens are. I'll show that bale. Storage for chicken stuff. A little bit of garden stuff in here. More storage. There's a lot of storage. Little crevice up there. I don't even remember what's up there. Yeah, here's where the chickens are. I don't know how many are in here. Oh, got a couple chickens laying eggs right now, which is sweet. Another one right there. The one staring at me in the door. Stuff, perches, nesting boxes, water. Yeah, that's pretty much it for in here. Alright, here's the shed. Different machinery in here. 2130, seed tender, my quad, grain trucks, combine. Here's the good old 2130. This thing's been sitting here for a week. I'd say a week. Well, actually, no, I think it's moved once. I don't remember. I say we see if it fires up. Take her out of gear, throttle down. Yeah, it says never start attracting from the rear tire. Meh, who needs that? Alright. Oh wow, that was fast. A lot faster than I thought. Yeah, that started way better than I thought. I mean, it's an old tractor, fires up good. Grain trailer. Oh, she's clean. Clean in there. Grain truck, tandem, combine. Here's lawnmower. Another quad, side-by-side golf cart with custom exhaust. Like, why not? My mom's truck. See if this thing fires up. I don't know. Gotta put a little bit of action into this video, so. Oh, I can't get in right there. Hold on. I guess we're going through the other side. Collector plates. Oh. Oh, wow. It's clean in here. 51,000 original kilometers. So she fires up, got the buzzer, radio, cranking. Oh yeah. Clean startup. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to run it for that long just because it gets all fumey in here. Or in the shed, not the cabin.